Abalone Hot Pot. Peel off the carrot skin. Cut into slices. Cut into flower shape. Take out the abalone. Ladle tablespoons of abalone broth. Mix with oyster sauce, soy sauce and black soy sauce. Slice some pattern on it. We use Zodiac Collection 2024 Sea Dragon Bakeware, 600 milliliters. Place all the ingredients inside. Drizzle the sauce. Steam for 20 minutes. Juicy and yummy.